Hello friends, in this video I'll provide you the solution of NPTEL course Programming Data Structure and Algorithm using Python. The week 4 contents is available here and week 4 quiz is already available here. In this video I will provide you the solution of week 4 quiz. The last date of submission is 23rd of August 2023. These are the guidelines that given in the to solve this question and this quiz. So the first problem is that the consider the following Python function. The Python function mystery is given here. It takes a list. If list is empty, then return the empty list. Otherwise, return L minus 1 that sliced array plus mystery. So this is the function. We have to find out what does mystery. This is the list that is passed in that function. So we have to find out what this function returns when the list is passed here. So the function reverse the list. The work of this function is to reverse the list. So it returns the reverse list like this: 46 in bracket 46, 93, 58, 19, 35, 23. So correct answer you have to write here this list. Next is, what is the value of pairs after the following assignments? The pairs variable is here, and we have to find out the what is the content of this pairs variable. Here the list comprehension is used. The first loop is for x in range 6 to 1 minus 1, means the value of x from 6 to 6 5 4 3 2 1, sorry 6 5 3 2 only, that is the it doesn't include the 1. And for y in range 3 to 1, means the value of y change from 3 and 2. So we have to create this tuple, this pair x comma y, when there is a condition that x plus y modulus 2 equal to 0, means x addition of sum of x plus y, if it is divisible by 2, then we have to add this x comma y pair. So it returns a list that contains that 6 comma 2, 5 comma 3, 4 comma 2, 3 comma 3 and 2 comma 2. This is the answer that satisfies this condition, and it returns the list of tuples, that 6 comma 2, 5 comma 3, 4 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 2 comma 2. This is the correct answer. Next question, consider the following dictionary. The dictionary is given here that contains the country with this. Again, a dictionary is here: Ronaldo 123, Messi 103, Pele 83. Club is a club key is given here. That item is a dictionary, that Ronaldo this one and Pele this one. Which of the following statement does not generate an error? So the correct option is option C, that goals club Messi equal to 496. List is given here 496, 17, 145. This is the correct option, that this statement doesn't give any error. Otherwise all gives the error. Next and last question, that assume that wickets has been initialized in an empty dictionary, that this is the dictionary, which of the following generates an error? So the correct option is the option D, wickets, and then in bracket, and then in another bracket, that is the list Muralidharan and test equal to 1800. That this is written, this gives the error, this generates an error. So in this assignment, this quiz 4, that there are only 4 questions is given here. So submit it on or before 23rd of August 2023. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video so that I can provide you the more solutions of the assignments. Thank you.